Welcome to Test Your HVAC Knowledge, Airside Design Edition, a quick quiz for HVAC professionals. What is the main purpose of an air handling unit? Its primary function is to condition and distribute air throughout a building. What does the term CFM stand for in HVAC? CFM stands for cubic feet per minute, a measure of airflow volume. Which component controls air temperature within an AHU? The cooling or heating coil is responsible for temperature regulation. What device is commonly used to measure airflow in ducts? A pitot tube or an airflow sensor accurately measures duct airflow. What type of fan is typically chosen for high static pressure applications? A backward curved centrifugal fan is ideal for high static pressure. Which diffuser pattern ensures uniform air distribution in a space? A four-way ceiling diffuser provides excellent uniform air distribution. What is the typical indoor design temperature for comfort cooling? The typical indoor design temperature for comfort cooling is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the main function of a return air grow? Its main function is to return air to the air handling unit. Which ASHRA standard specifically covers ventilation rates? ASHRA standard 62.1 is the key standard for ventilation rates. What type of damper maintains a constant air volume? A CAV box or constant air volume box maintains constant airflow. What does the acronym VAV stand for in HVAC systems? VAV stands for variable air volume, indicating adjustable airflow. What is the primary control variable in VAV systems? Zone temperature is the primary control variable in VAV systems. What sensor detects room occupancy for ventilation control? PR or CO2 sensors detect occupancy for efficient ventilation. What type of duct is commonly used for flexible connections? Flex duct is commonly used for flexible connections in HVAC systems. What is the purpose of a balancing damper in a duct system? A balancing damper adjusts airflow to ensure proper distribution. What is the typical velocity in main supply ducts, measured in FPM? Typical velocity in main supply ducts ranges from 900 to 1500 FPM. Which diffuser is ideal for large open office areas? A square ceiling diffuser is ideal for large open office areas. What is throw in air distribution design? Throw is the distance air travels from the diffuser. Which element separates supply and return air in a plenum? A baffle or partition separates supply and return air in a plenum. What type of filter is MERV13 classified as? MERV13 is classified as a high-efficiency filter. What does NC refer to in acoustics within HVAC? NC refers to noise criterion, a measure of background noise. What happens if duct velocity is too high? High duct velocity increases noise and pressure loss. Which duct shape is considered the most space-efficient? The flat oval duct shape is the most space-efficient. What device mixes outdoor and return air in HUs? A mixing box or economizer section blends outdoor and return air. Which component prevents coil freeze-up in winter conditions? A preheat coil or freeze-stat prevents coil freeze-up. What is the main difference between CAV and VAV systems? The main difference is constant versus variable airflow. What is the ideal relative humidity for occupant comfort? The ideal relative humidity for comfort is between 40% and 60%. Which air distribution system uses ceiling diffusers and return grills? Overhead air distribution systems utilize ceiling diffusers and return grills. What component ensures air is evenly distributed across coils? An air straightener or baffle ensures even air distribution across coils. What is the main goal of airside economizers? Airside economizers aim to use outdoor air for free cooling. Thank you for testing your HVAC knowledge. Keep learning and mastering airside design.